This is NDTV, and you're watching Classics.
Hello and welcome to Follow the Leader. Every election seems to throw up their own stars, those politicians who grab a little bit more off the media headlines, who really move into the spotlight. This time around, one of the leading contenders for Best Debut or Best Newcomer, Sachin Pilot, Congress candidate from Dausa. Thanks so much for being with us. We're going to be following you around now for the next 24 hours, perhaps a little more than that, making complete tests of ourselves. Tell us, there seem to be lots of you this time, actually. I said you're one of the leading contenders for Best Newcomer. But there are many, especially from the Congress party, not just Rahul Gandhi. There's you, there's Milind Deora, there's RPN Singh, there's Jitin Prasad, Jyotiraditya Scindia. What are the relations between all of you like? Do you see each other as rivals, as colleagues?
Not at all, Vikram. We're all members of the Congress family. And we get along very well. And in the end, the objectives are the same, and we're all working hard, to make the party stronger. We're all Congress team, and no matter where we are, which part of the country, whichever part of the world we are in, we're still the same team. We all work together, and like I said before, we're all aiming to go to the same place, to make the party stronger and make it more vibrant, and that's the agenda, that's the objective. That keeps all of us together.
Okay. Well, we have to tell you that it's almost close to midnight right now. You've been on the road, all through the day? Has it been a hectic day for you?
Every election is, so it was a long day, but good, fruitful day.
All right. I think if we try and grab some dinner, then we'll allow you to eat something.
Chalo, we'll eat together. Come.
It's really nice. So you've never seen this part?
I've never climbed the stairs. I've never come up. Just to come late night, go to the room on the right, and just crash out.
Come on, just sit there.
This is fantastic. Getting VIP treatment.
Yeah.
Proper cutlery.
Still waiting for food.
हाँ जी अरे भाई साहब हेलो यार खाना वाला भिजवाओ ऊपर कोई भी नहीं ऊपर बोलो खाना परोसेगा हम बैठे हैं वेट कर short staffed obviously
If you're lucky, you'll get khana before you sleep.
नहीं we have to eat यार
You don't have any particular favorite food?
Something I don't really like too much probably Karela.
I mean, I know you must be tired of being introduced all the time as Rajesh Pilot's son. And you must be hating it when people do that. So let's try and find out Sachin Pilot. Tell us about your life. What have you been doing for the last 26 years?
थोड़ा सा यार. No, first of all, I don't really hate being introduced like that. I'm quite proud of it.
But only as that.
Well, so far it doesn't matter. I'm sure there'll be a day when people remember, my father as my father. But as for me, in Delhi for my schooling, I went to an Air Force school. I went to college. I was here in Delhi, St. Stephen's. I started working for an American firm for 2.5 years. I went to the US for my MBA.
Wharton Business School, right?
Wharton. I was there for 2 years. Finished with Wharton, came back to India in 2001 summer. Within about 8 months or so, I joined the Congress party. And since then, I've been working for the party, wherever and however I'm being told to.
All right, Sachin, let's be honest here now. You've been a Wharton. You've done an MBA from Wharton Business School. You could be sitting right now, as we are speaking, you could be sitting somewhere in Annabelle's in Manhattan, drinking shabli, eating steak. Instead, you're sitting out here 14 kilometers from the nearest habitation, eating dal, sabzi with some difficulty. Why? And don't tell me it's for the good of the people because people find it hard to believe.
It's a personal decision. It's a personal choice. People choose to do different things in their lives, and I chose to do what I feel like doing. There was no compulsion.
What's the attraction?
It's sheer joy. I get pleasure, in being where I feel more comfortable. And I, like you said, I could have been doing X, Y, and Z. No issues about that. But today I feel I derive a lot of fun and a lot of pleasure out of it.
I know you go to seminars and you have people looking at you and making statements saying, oh, all politicians are like this and, only nobody who's good gets into politics. You must be hearing those remarks all the time.
See, that's a general mindset. But, hearing remarks also is a part of the package. Like I said, this is a huge package politics is. And you tend to take it with your stride. It's a game of...
I'm still trying to figure out what the plus part of it is. Is it the power? Is it the ability to make a difference in people's life? Do you genuinely believe that? Or is
I think so. Vikram, everyone does their bits in their life. But if you can make a difference in even a few people's life, you feel good about it.
It's all about working for the good of the people. Is that the real answer? Is that the answer which you think you're supposed to be giving?
Not at all. I tell you whatever I'm feeling very honestly. And I felt that whatever I know, whatever my experience has been, whatever my exposures have been throughout my life, I thought it's better served in this life, in public life, in politics. She's going to comment another half.
How about a quarter?
Okay.
It's a fair deal.
Vikram, we'll go for a small stroll, burn off the calories, and then we'll hit the bed.
Okay. You have what, an early start tomorrow?
7-ish?
7 in the morning.
Okay, 7:30.
Okay, no, 7 is fine.
सारे हुए 10 गाड़ी कर दी 8:30 की मास्टर साहब आपके
हाँ बस शॉर्ट
Well, it's now well past midnight, so we're going to allow Sachin to get some rest, but we'll be back with him early tomorrow morning.
Good night.
Well, early the next morning, it's very clear what the buzz in all the newspapers is. Bharat Uday Yatra aaj Dausa mein. LK Advani's Yatra passing through just a few hundred meters actually from where we are sitting. Very clearly, that's going to be one of the major topics to be discussing, one of the major items that will be causing a buzz in this particular constituency today. Sachin, it couldn't be that bad, the election.
it's just the
Would you prefer to display his specs? I just wanted to follow up, some of the things you were talking about yesterday, about the fact that a third generation of leaders, people like you, Jyotiraditya, have come up. It also reflects, in a sense, the fact that the Congress has lost its second-level leadership. The death of your father, with the death of Madhurao Sindhya. And that perhaps might be one of the things which is causing the Congress so many problems. You have nobody to really take on the likes of Arun Jaitley and Pramod Mahajan.
I think leadership takes some years to develop. And Congress, fortunately, does have a lot of leaders at the state level and at the central level who are competent enough to lead the party. It's always been a collective sort of leadership within the Congress. I think just one or two people don't make that much difference. But of course, some, prominent, mass-based leadership, we had lost. But still, I believe that we have a lot of potential, a lot of talent in all age groups within the party that can take the party further.
Right. Let me put you on the spot now. Do you think the Congress would have been better off? I know this is a hypothetical question. But do you think it would have made a substantial difference to the fortune of the Congress parties if your father had still been around and had been the leader of the party?
I can't answer because in hindsight, and I don't know, I think Sonia Ji is doing a wonderful job in the last 6 years. She's proved that she does have the determination of rebuilding the party. We've been out of power for 7 years. But the efforts that we're making now as a constructive opposition, I think it's a tremendous effort and people have appreciated that.
Now I know why you got into politics, Sachin.
Come on.
Maybe diplomacy is another option
No,
that you
no.
can think of at some stage.
Not at all. Ram sir. Aao ji, aao. Ram sir.
This seems to be the main aspect of campaigning here, tying safas.
I think every meeting people give one as a form of respect. But it's an old tradition and it's a lot of respect that, this Safa signifies. साहब राम साहब अच्छा साहब अब ध्यान रखो हाँ जी राम राम साहब राम राम साहब राम राम साहब सभी लोग उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि आज उम्मीदवार की घोषणा करेंगे। बहुत आश्चर्य की बात है कि हमको ये भी नहीं पता हम लड़ाई किसके खिलाफ लड़ रहे हैं। जो भी हो, हम और आप, हमारी सोच एक है, हमारा मानना एक है और आने वाले समय में हम इस बात को ध्यान रखेंगे कि इस इलाके का, क्षेत्र का, गांव का, पंचायत का सिर्फ एक ही मुद्दा हो और एक ही लक्ष्य हो और वो है विकास का मुद्दा।
One of the main themes that Sachin Pilot's been talking about is the extraordinary delay that the BJP has taken in finding a candidate to put up against him. That's why there's so much attention focused on LK Advani's visit to this constituency today as part of the Bharat Yatra. There's an expectation that Mr. Advani might actually announce the name of the BJP's candidate who will be taking on Sachin Pilot. So for a few minutes, let's stop following the leader and go to where his thoughts are likely to be. Let's follow those thoughts to where LK Advani is right now, somewhere right here in Dosa.
लाल कृष्ण जी अडवाणी मंच पर आ रहे हैं। मुझे विश्वास है और कहता है मुझे मारुति कार खरीदनी है।
As the Advani Rath Yatra rolls out of town, the big news, I guess, for Sachin Pilot is that there wasn't much said, in fact, nothing at all about any possible rival, who the candidate will be from the other party. And what that essentially means is that he's getting a valuable lead time on his rivals. घोषणा हुई है कि नहीं?
नहीं साहब, कोई कैंडिडेट की घोषणा नहीं हुई।
सिर्फ सचिन
सिर्फ सचिन है। सचिन पायलट ही घोषित है कांग्रेस के उम्मीदवार।